Do you know something very interesting? A lot of people want to start a business, but when they finally decide to start, they realize something very quickly. They don't actually know where to begin. They have the idea, they have the skill, but the structure is missing. Hey guys, welcome back to Prowess Digital Solutions channel, and let me give you a simple example. A few weeks ago, we spoke to someone who wanted to start a small fashion business. She already knew how to sew, she had the clients asking for dresses, she even had people recommending her to others. But the business itself was not structured. No clear pricing, no clear service process, no proper customer workflow. Everything was happening randomly. Some days she had many customers, other days it was completely quiet. So she started searching online, trying to figure out what she was missing. And that was when she came across our brand and one of the free tools from Prowess Digital Solutions. At first, she wasn't expecting much. Most free resources online are usually very basic. But when she opened this tool, she realized something immediately. It was not just giving information, it was helping her think through the business step by step. Simple things, questions like what exactly are you selling? Who is your ideal customers? How should your pricing be structured? What services should you offer? And how should customers actually find your business? Within a short time, she started seeing something clearly. The problem was never the skill, the problem was the structure around the business. Once she started applying these steps, things started to change. Her services became clearer, her pricing made more sense, and customers began to take the business more seriously. This is exactly why we created these tools at Prowess Digital Solutions, because many people already have these skills. They they have the idea, but the missing part is usually the business structure. So we built simple resources that entrepreneurs can use to start thinking about their businesses the right way. Built tools like Business Helper tool, the small business starter checklist, and structure template designed specifically for African entrepreneurs. These tools are completely free to use. They are designed to help you move from just having an idea to actually building something structured. Because when the structure becomes clear, everything else becomes easier. Your services become clearer, your customers become clearer, and the business itself becomes easier to grow. So if you are someone who already has a skill, or you are planning to start a small business, you can try out these tools and see how they work for you. They might help you see your business from a completely different perspective. In order to use this tool, visit the website at www.prowessdigitalsolutions.com and scroll down to the bottom of the page. You would see where we have the Business Helper tool. Then click on it and it will take us to the page where all the tools are listed. There you can use the tool as much as you like to help you grow your business. And if you want a deeper guidance after that, Prowess Digital Solution is always here to help. I will see you in our next video. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notification so that you don't miss our future videos. See you in our next video. Bye.